Car Bluetooth adapters enable wireless audio streaming, hands-free calling, and safer, more convenient driving experience. Today's video is about top 5 best car Bluetooth adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Joyroom Car Bluetooth Adapters. The Joyroom Bluetooth 6.0 car adapter is a powerful all-in-one solution for upgrading in-car audio and charging convenience. Its latest Bluetooth 6.0 technology ensures ultra-stable connectivity with fast pairing, reduced lag, and strong anti-interference performance, making music streaming and hands-free calling smooth and reliable. It also supports USB drive playback, adding flexibility for different listening options. One of its standout features is the 81W fast charging system with PD45W and QC3.036W dual ports, allowing simultaneous high-speed charging for 2 devices, perfect for long drives and daily commutes. The dual microphone setup with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation delivers clear voice quality during calls, even in noisy driving conditions. For music lovers, the one-click bass boost and hi-fi stereo output enhance sound depth and clarity, creating an immersive listening experience. Additional features like the 7-color LED lighting, voltage monitoring, and built-in safety protections make it both stylish and secure. Overall, it's a versatile and practical car upgrade for modern drivers. Now our second product is Nulaxy Car Bluetooth Adapters. The Nulaxy Bluetooth FM transmitter stands out as a powerful all-in-one car charging and audio solution. With 54W total output combining PD36W and QC18W plus multiple ports, it easily handles several devices at once, making it ideal for long drives or heavy phone usage. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures fast pairing, stable connection, and noticeably clearer call and music quality. The added bass enhancement and colorful LED lighting improve the in-car experience, especially at night without being distracting. Voice command support and tactile button controls make it safer to operate while driving. It also includes strong safety protections against overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits, and works with most 12-24V vehicles. Setup is straightforward via FM frequency matching and Bluetooth pairing with BC91. Overall, it's a practical upgrade for older car audio systems, combining charging speed, wireless convenience, and entertainment features in one compact device. Our third product is Syncwire Car Bluetooth Adapters. This Bluetooth FM transmitter is a feature-rich upgrade for any car audio system. The standout addition is the upgraded Bluetooth 5.4, which delivers faster pairing, improved stability, and reduced audio delay, ensuring smooth music streaming and clear hands-free calls. The automatic reconnection feature is especially convenient, allowing the device to pair instantly every time the car starts. The dual USB ports, PD36W and USB A12W, support fast, simultaneous charging of 2 devices while built-in safety protections guard against overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits. Audio quality is impressive, with hi-fi sound, deep bass enhancement, and noise suppression technology that improves both music and call clarity. The rainbow ambient lighting adds a stylish touch to the car interior, and the ability to switch off the lights with a simple button press is practical for night driving. Easy FM setup and intuitive controls make it user-friendly. Overall, it's a reliable, modern, and well-balanced car adapter. Now number 4, Nulaxy Car Bluetooth Adapters. The Nulaxy KM30 Bluetooth car adapter offers a solid upgrade for in-car communication and entertainment. Its 1.8-inch color display is clear and highly practical, showing key information such as incoming calls, track details, FM frequency, battery voltage, and connected devices at a glance. This makes driving more convenient and safer by reducing distractions. Call quality is noticeably improved thanks to the enhanced microphone, which delivers clearer voice pickup for hands-free conversations even in noisy environments. For music lovers, the KM30 supports multiple playback options including Bluetooth, AUX, and microSD card, along with treble and bass switching for a more customized sound experience. The color spectrum lighting synced with music adds a modern visual touch. The QC 3.0 fast charging port is a strong bonus, providing significantly faster charging for smartphones on the go. With stable performance, versatile features, and user-friendly design, the KM30 is a practical all-in-one solution for everyday driving needs. And our last choice is Nulaxy Car Bluetooth Adapters. The Nulaxy NX10 Bluetooth FM transmitter is a practical and well-rounded upgrade for any car without built-in smart audio features. Its Quick Charge 3.0 support is a major highlight, delivering extremely fast charging up to 4 times faster than standard chargers and capable of reaching 80% battery in about 35 minutes for compatible devices. Music streaming is flexible and reliable, supporting Bluetooth along with USB flash drives and micro SD cards. With advanced noise reduction, the audio output stays clear and balanced, whether you're listening to music or podcasts. It also supports multiple formats like MP3, WAV, FLAC, and more, which adds great convenience. Hands-free calling is smooth thanks to echo cancellation and a stable connection, making conversations clearer while driving. The 7-color LED backlighting adds a stylish touch to the car interior, enhancing night driving ambience. The built-in voltmeter is a useful safety feature, helping monitor your car battery health in real time. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.